Hey Bells, we're going to study for our test here. Alright, we're going to start with the plains. The plains environment has tall grass, it has flat land, few trees, and fewer freshwater streams. The factors of climate are the mountain ranges and the eastern plains gave them rain, extreme weather, because they were not near any large bodies of water. Their resources were animals, which were bison, coyote, moose, elk, wolves, and rabbits. Their other resources were their plants, what they ate, which was corn, nuts, seeds, and berries. Their food was the bison meat, corn, nuts, seeds, berries. How did they get their food in the plains? Well, they hunted the buffalo with bows and arrows and gathered and found ways to preserve the food. Their clothing for men, which were breech cloths with leggings. Women wore dresses and leggings and also wore some featured feathered headgears. What did they use from the environment to make their clothing? They turned hides from animal skins, they tanned them and turned them into hides. Their shelter was teepees and earth lodges. That's what they lived in, teepees and earth lodges. What did they use from their environment to make their shelters? Branches, animal skins, logs, and they covered with dirt. Transportation. Early on, they used dogs, and later they used horses. What are the two ways they hunted buffalo in the plains? The first one, they dressed up like buffaloes and cried like a baby and ran them off of a cliff. The other, they would ride their horses and use their bows and arrows to shoot them. What were some parts of the buffaloes and how they used them? Tanned hides for pipe holders and clothing and teepees. They used their hair to make ropes, fancy belts, and undergarments. They used ribs to make sleds. And they used their dung to start fires for burning. And their horns they used for spoons and cups. Okay, Bells, that's the plains.